Welcome to Vidscape. In this video, we are going to show you how to use Smart Cutout, a feature in Filmora 12 to remove the background of a video. With this feature, we can remove the background of a video even if the background is not a single color like a green screen. I have pre-selected a video here under Stock Media. We will be importing this dog by dragging it down here. So, the goal of this tutorial is to remove the background of this dog. In the past, we would have to go to each frame to remove the background manually. It is very tedious, but with Filmora 12, we can do this easily. First, we double-click the dog video. Then under Video, go to the AI tools. Scroll down until you see Smart Cutout option. Enable the Smart Cutout option, and click here to start Smart Cutout. Another window will pop out after you click. In this pop-up, we will be telling the AI which is the subject we want to retain. Using the brush tool, we paint over the subject. So by doing that, the AI determines that the wolf is the subject, and the rest is the background. If the AI misses out something, we continue to paint over it. If the AI selected something which shouldn't be included, we use the eraser tool to erase it. Afterwards, we will click the Start Smart Cutout for the AI to start processing it. The AI will go to frame by frame in removing the background of this video and only retaining the dog. So it will take a few minutes depending on how long the video is. As the AI goes through frame by frame, you can also see if the AI has done it properly. So we'll wait a couple more seconds and it should be done. This feature of Filmora 12 is really very useful as it makes changing the background of video easier and it costs less effort and time. Okay, so the processing is completed. In order to see it clearer, we can change the background preview mode. For instance, we can change it to a transparent black background. So, when reviewing, I like to place it in black background to see it clearer. We can play this video to see if the AI has done a good job. So the AI was able to cut out the dog properly. When fine-tuning the Smart Cutout, there are some options here at the right-hand side. We can set how thick we want the edge by sliding it over here. For me, I'll just leave it at 0. Meanwhile, the edge feather indicates the smoothness of the edges. I will just leave this again at 0. After our work here is done, click Save. Next, we will add a different background now for the dog. So we will choose this beautiful background and drag it down here. Okay, now the dog has a different background. We will click to play to see the effect of it. It looks pretty awesome. Okay, so that's it for our tutorial for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.